Hello viewers, welcome back to Mama Shirley channel. I hope y'all enjoyed my last video. I did the Cajun catfish. I was so overwhelmed. I read all your comments. I like you have subscribed to my channel. Continue subscribing to my channel. I always hit that like button. I appreciate it. I read them all. It was heartwarming. I really do appreciate that. Always look at Mama Shirley channel. And hey, but anyway, that being said, today is a special recipe for me today. You know, most people talk about Big Mama's recipe or Grandmama's recipe or ain't whatever recipe. Today, I'm here to talk about my sister's recipe. Give me a minute. I lost my sister back in 2018. And she was pretty much the cook of the family. You know, my mom worked all the time. We couldn't wait to get out of church and, you know, and her cook her food. And one day she cooked this recipe I'm finna show you. And we all fell in love with it. It's been our trend ever since. Just like she liked my fried chicken, I liked her pineapple meatball. And she was the most kindest person you ever want to. No, give me a minute. Get married. But anyway, let me catch myself. But anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So let me give you the ingredients that we're going to be using on Rita's pineapple meatballs. And here you go. You're going to need some meatballs. I got the beef and pork. They're fully cooked meatballs, so they're going to be a little long. We're going to need a bag of that. Okay. You're going to need some cherries. You're going to need some pineapples. You're going to need some, I use Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. That's what I use. Okay. We're going to leave little spices. We got the Tony accessories. We got the Adobia. I got a little garlic powder. A little black pepper. This is the pan that we're going to be putting it in. Now, if you're going to do a party, a big party, let me show you. I got the pan here somewhere. Anyway, if you're getting a big, you know, the 9 by, you would double on everything. If you're doing a big for a party, you would use 2 bags. You just double up on everything. But this is what we're going to be using. You're going to need a little spatula here and a measuring cup, okay? I'll be right back and we're going to go with the next step, all right? Okay, I'm back. I'm going to slide this over just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, just slide that and get a little view here. And what you're going to do is you take all your meatballs, throw that away, into the pan, kind of shake it like that. Now, I kind of know how much seasoning I use, but for you all that don't know, and like I said, it's already pre-cooked. What you're going to do is, it's just a cup, the measuring thing here. You just pour it in there, like that. And you're going to sprinkle, that's garlic powder. Sprinkle a little bit over there, like that, okay? The measure's going to be for all of them, okay? The Adobia, that there. That's just about a half a cup. Sprinkle that in there like that. They don't over season now, because it's like it's already put. Because we just give it a little flavor, because the sauce is gonna bring the flavor on out. Sprinkle that over like that. Okay, just a little bit. Now the black pepper, don't use a lot of that. You just probably use just a half a teaspoon. Now you don't want a lot of that. We ain't trying to do spicy. Just a little bit. Now just get your little pinch like that. Okay. I think that one there is not even open up. And this is your Tony accessories right here. I don't think I even got that open up yet. I hope y'all having a good day. And like I say, one day I'm going to go live. Like I said, I appreciate everybody comments. And always, you know, get on your social media. Tell everybody about what Mama Shirley is doing in this kitchen. Your Facebook, your social, your Instagram, and all that. Tell them about what Mama Shirley is doing in this kitchen. I know Juneteenth is going to come up and Father's Day, and I'm going to tell you about that at the end of the video, what we're going to be doing with that. Okay? And sprinkle a little bit of this in here. Not much. We don't want a whole lot of seasoning because we already got that sauce. Just about that much. That's all you need. Okay? You sprinkle it over like that. Okay? Set Set that aside. Mama Shirley hands too. And you want to kind of move that around. Don't smash your meatballs. You just want to kind of go around, let that seasoning get into your meatballs. Just kind of move it around. Don't smash it. Just move it around. And you don't want to cook these frozen. I always kind of have these already out. You don't want to cook them frozen. They're not going to taste right. So kind of have them out at room temperature. Okay? And when you think you got that seasoning all on the meatballs, okay, this is what we do next. You take your cherries. Don't drain the juice. Take your cherries. They go over like that. All over. You may have to get your spatula to kind of get them out of there. Okay? Get that out of there. Throw that away. Get your pineapples. Same thing. Same thing. Sprinkle it all over like that. Just sprinkle it over there. Get in there. Sprinkle it in there. Okay? Like that. Throw that away. Get your barbecue sauce. See, it's not a whole lot of ingredients. Ain't gonna take much to do that. Y'all may think, oh man, that look, man, let me tell you something. This some good eating. Once you make this here, it's always a request for us to cook this here. Always a request to cook this meal. And you just sprinkle this barbecue sauce on like that. Get your some in there. Like that. And just kind of go over like that. Okay? Like that. And you take this and you fold it. Don't smash it. Just take it. Hold it over. Just want to kind of get that pineapple, that barbecue sauce on there. I'm telling y'all, this is some good. And we're going to have rice with, I use the 5-minute rice. You can use whatever type of rice you want. You can have any kind of side dish that you want with that. Anyway, and like I say, preheat your oven. Mine is at 350 degrees. Yours may call for 325. Everybody's oven is different. Mine's, it'll do it at 350 here. And we're gonna cook this for about an hour. Now you gotta remember, it's already pre-cooked. We just want that sauce to get in there. See how I stir it around there? I'm not smashing, I'm just fold. That's all you do, just a little elbow work. That's all you gotta do. Then kind of spread it out like that. Okay? And we're gonna put this in the oven and let it be cooking. And I come back and we're gonna do our special recipe. So I'll be right back. Okay, Mama Shirley is back. It's been an hour. Look at that. You see that? Ooh, don't they look good? See that? Wow. We're gonna take this out the oven. We're gonna plate it up and we're gonna eat some of this here. All right, I'll be right back. Let me get it plated up. Okay, I'm back, y'all. It's been 1 hour. 1 hour. Look at this here. Don't they look good? Pineapple, cherry, barbecue sauce. You can have any side dish you want. I always have mine with some good old rice right here. This is Rita's pineapple meatballs. So good. We're going to sample this thing right here. Give me a little spoon of rice here. I already got a request for this already. This already gone. Somebody already called for this already. Just some meatballs in here. See them pineapples? Girl. Ooh, I'm telling y'all. Get my cherry here. We're gonna sample this thing here. Scoop you some pineapples, some cherries. Kinda hot, gotta blow it. Yeah, this is so good. You got to try it. It is so good. Oh boy, it's so good. Make Mama Shirley want to wobble with it. Yeah, it's good. Whew. I want to thank everybody for watching my channel. I have read all your comments. I have enjoyed it. It was so heartwarming. Thanks for viewing my channels. Excuse me, I'm still trying to chew. So good. Thanks for subscribing my channel. Get on your social media, your Instagram and your TikTok, all that. Tell them what Mama Shirley is doing in this kitchen. It is so good. I appreciate everything. And let me tell you something. Later on, you're gonna see in the video, I made a Oreo banana pudding. We'll be back with that. I would like to say, I have enjoyed this here. It's been heartwarming for me. But I always hit that like button and subscribe button and tell everybody what Mama Shirley's doing in this kitchen. I love you. May God bless you and keep you. Peace out. Mama Shirley once again. Rita's pineapple meatballs. So good. I had it with some rice and it's so good. And Juneteenth is coming up real soon. So don't miss it. I'm going to show you how to make some bad oven ribs. They're going to think came off the pit with Mama Shirley's famous beans. So don't miss that. All right? Love you. Peace out. Mama Shirley.